everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here with me today. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. It's a fun wearable look with a pop of color. This is perfect for the springtime, and I actually wore this on the day of my 17th birthday. So if you would like to know how to achieve this look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. With my eyelids already primed, I'm going into the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, taking the shade on the top middle. I'm going to lightly blend this into my crease with my Sigma E40 blending brush. And as I'm blending it out, I'm bringing it out towards the tail of my brow just to smoke out the shadow. Moving over to the top shade on the right corner, the dark brown shade, I'm going to apply this into my outer V to add some definition to the eyes. I'm using an E25 blending brush from Sigma. Taking my Sigma E70 concealer brush, I'm going to begin by applying concealer on the eyelids to clear out an area for our eyelid shade. I'm so excited for the eyelid shade. I'm using the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Pot of Gold. These are the most pigmented shadows I've ever used. You just need to apply it with your finger. It's that easy. You'll just get so much color payoff. I'm obsessed with these at the moment. Going back into that dark brown shade in the top right corner, I'm going to apply that around the edge of that yellow shadow to make sure that the crease shade and the eyelid shade blend nicely. For the eyeliner today, I'll be going in with my favorite eyeliner. This is the NYC liquid eyeliner. I begin by lining the top lash line, and then I'll go over and map out the edge of the wing, and I'll connect the wing back down to the lash line. Moving on to the face, I'm going in with my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. So good. This is one of the first times I was using this primer. It literally blurs out all of your pores. Like, pores are non-existent when you're using this primer. I'm obsessed with it. For my foundation today, I'll be using the It Cosmetics CC Cream Foundation. I'm going to apply a good amount of that, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Beauty Blender. I talked about this foundation in my current favorite luxury brand foundations, and this was included in it. It's amazing, gives you medium to full coverage without you feeling the weight of that full coverage foundation. Absolutely amazing, looks natural, it's not cakey, it's beautiful. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I'm using the shade 1N Extra Light Neutral, and I'm going to apply a good amount of that under the under eyes and blend it out with my damp Beauty Blender. If you like a really vibrant under eye highlight, this is going to give you that highlight. It'll cover up all of your under eyes and really gives my face life and covers up all of that darkness. To bronze, I'll be using my favorite high-end bronzer, the Chanel Universal Bronzer, and with a Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour, I'm going to really bronze up the cheekbones. My foundation is so light, and it's just how it is. I always look so pale, and I always need bronzer to come to the rescue and give me some life, because naturally, I'm just so pale. Going into my Benefit Cheek Parade palette, I'm going in with a mixture of Hoola Light and Original Hoola, and with the Morphe M143 Deluxe fan brush, I'm going to go ahead and set that bronzer and also contour a bit. And this fan brush, perfect for contouring. The lashes I'll be using today are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. So good, recently discovered these. If you're into lashes, you need these. Super affordable too. I love them. Alright, you guys know me, I can't go without setting my concealer. I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to pack that on underneath the under eyes to prevent my concealer from creasing and to keep my concealer set in place all day. We are going to have some fun with some yellow liner. This is NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Halo. I'm going to apply that on the edge of the wing. Just to add that yellow eyeliner, I used a small eyeliner brush. This is the E10 from Sigma. Let's work on the lower lash line. We're going to go back into our Natural Eyes palette from Too Faced. I'm going to take that first shade we used for the transition shade, and with the E70 medium angled shading brush, I'll focus that on the outer lash line. And to add a little bit more definition, we're going to go in with that dark brown shade on the top right corner, and we're going to focus this on the outer lash line, softly smoking it into the inner lash line. And before I forget, we're going to go ahead and dust away all of our translucent powder. Yes, I have walked out of the house without dusting off the translucent powder. is pretty embarrassing. So I actually forgot a step. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma E65 small angled brow brush, and I'm actually going to make a pointed line with the eyeshadow and kind of make it a cat eye shape. So just get your angled brow brush and make a point with the shadow and blend it up into the lower lash line. Then going back in with the yellow eyeliner from NYX, I'm going to pop this in the inner corner, kind of in between the gap where the eyeshadow comes down to a point. So I'm going to fill that in with a little bit of yellow eyeliner to kind of brighten up the eyes and add more color. Ugh, I love this lip color. This is MAC's lipstick in Hug Me. Amazing. My first MAC lipstick actually, like their creamy lipsticks. So good, don't regret it. It's the perfect nude. It's creamy, it's hydrating to the lips. You just need this in your life. Okay, moving on to my favorite highlighter at the moment, the Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter Highlighter in Pearl. Oh my gosh, these highlighters are the bomb. I have 2 of them so far. I do plan on going and getting more. I'm going to pop this on the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, and on the tip as well. For the blush, we're going in with Milani's Baked Blush in Luminoso. Best drugstore blushes out there. If you don't have any Milani blushes, girl, what are you doing? Go get some. And I'm just going to dust this along the cheeks to add a pop of color. And that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe. I will have a link in the description box you can click and you will be subscribed, or you can click the red button below. Jesus loves you guys so much. Have an amazing day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.